Welcome back to The Lost Digit. Today I'm going to be showing you how I swap out the old for the new. So I had the XS Max and now I have the 11 Pro Max. With that comes iOS 13, so let's get rid of this old CarPlay and look at iOS 13 CarPlay on BMW's iDrive 7. So I have the G20 330i and the upgraded display. So immediately you can see that we have widgets. So now you have the map on the left, you have kind of some shortcuts for food, drinks, shopping, and travel on the top right, and then you have whatever media is playing. So for me, I'm using Spotify. I turned off car mode on my phone. But the first thing I noticed is that I am able to finally do other things on my phone and have this screen stay as is. So I wonder how that translates when I'm in the full screen apps, but we'll see. So you have the apps as usual here, just like iOS 12. But this new widgets kind of home screen is present. So I haven't even set up maps yet. I literally just unboxed the phone, but I had to try this first because I've been waiting for a while to use the split screen CarPlay. So it's pretty much the same to use. Honestly, the only difference you notice is that home screen. So it lets you use your maps, track the car, and use your media at the same time and see what song is playing. So this might be more useful in cars where you can't see what song is playing on your driving display. So in this one, you can see now what's playing in two different places, but in some cars this will be definitely very useful. So now if you open Spotify full screen, you can see that it looks nicer and you can actually see the album art now. So I like it more. You see back, pause, next, shuffle, and then repeat, and the album art. Now what's really cool here is when you're in a full screen application and you pick up your phone and you go to the home screen, it actually stays on the app. So this was the most annoying thing if someone wanted to use my phone and I was using the maps or Spotify. It would always change to what they're doing. So now, I can do one thing on my phone and do something else on CarPlay. And this is all on wireless CarPlay. So this is really cool, very welcome feature. And I think this is even more important than the widgets display. But these were the two biggest issues, is not being able to split the screen and not being able to do other things. So I think iOS 13 finally fixed CarPlay. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And as usual, I'll see you in the next one.